Good morning, traders. So we are currently in this MES futures trade. So I share my trades to my VIP group Monday to Friday. So if you want to take the same trades that I take live, make sure you click in the link in the description below. So right now, this trade is looking good so far. So hopefully we're going to hit TP. Stay tuned because I am going to give you a full breakdown of this trade. All right, so just to give you a quick update on this trade, so it's looking good so far. So I'm going to give you a full breakdown in a few once we hit TP. But before we proceed, please make sure you subscribe and leave a like if you want me to keep on posting breakdown videos so you can learn how to trade futures for free. So make sure you subscribe and like the videos. All right, see y'all in a few. All right, so we just hit TP. One second. So we just hit TP on the dot right here. And we got the win. And yeah, so beautiful trade. We went straight to TP as expected. So if you're in my VIP group and you do this trade, you got the W2. So congrats. So yeah. So let me walk you through the reason why I took this trade. So before New York opened, as you can see, the market was moving sideways. Before New York opened, I noticed a break of character. So here we broke because the market was going sideways and we broke. So this is like a resistance zone, and we broke that resistance, and the market went up, pulled back a little bit, went up, broke structure here, right, right up New York open. So to me, that was an indication that the market is bullish. So I am looking for buys, right? So we broke structure, and something that I noticed here, the pullback right before New York open was pretty short. It wasn't like a huge pullback. It was more like this, and the market was consolidating here, right? So I realized that this candle right here is very important. Like the price is reacting pretty strongly here. It's going sideways, right? And then it broke. So what I did, I waited until the price came back inside this candle, right, to take a buy here and hit my TP. Pretty simple, right? So nice trade, quick trade, and yeah, we made money. And yeah, if you want to take the same trades that I take Monday through Friday, make sure you click in the link in the description below. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.